N-I-M-A-O-S.
Baby farm animals.
O-Y-O-B-A-B. Black sheep.
Black sheep. What's the black sheep say? What's the black sheep say?
Meow.
Meow. Who says meow?
Meow.
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 Meow. Meow.
No, those are guinea pigs. Those aren't kitties. What's that?
It's pretty.
Is that a bunny? Oh, who are these guys?
Pigs. Ducks.
Ducks. What do ducks say?
Cool. 1, 2, 3. Quack, 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 quack.
There's 2 ducks, and how many chicks are there?
Cheep, 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 cheep,
Cheep, cheep, cheep, cheep, cheep. What's the pig? What's the pig say? What's the pig say?
Moo.
Moo.
I'll get the duck. Quack.
Quack.
On the pig.
What's the horsey say?
Neigh.
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 Neigh. Puppy dog say?
Woof, woof, woof. Meow. Moo.
Moo. What's the lion say? Rawr. What's the elephant say? It's hard to do, huh?
It's doing. Elephant's doing.
The elephant's doing.